Squirtle! Squirtle, 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 Squirtle! Hey everybody, I think Squirtle has a good idea. I think we should listen to him. Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. I cannot understand what he's saying. Okay, how about you, Scrat? I mean, Prey. What do you have as a plan? Can't you guys just talk in stinking English? I can't understand you! But their non-English talk just gave me an idea. Well, what's the idea, Tantar? Well, you see, my idea is, Vulpix. I quite agree on that plan. It's me too. Me three, if I had 3 fingers. Oh well. Ah, what a nice day of jokes. I'm like the best joke teller in the world. Yeah. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. What was that? Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Gosh, do any of you guys know English? Does anybody in this house at all knows English? Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Please stop it, it's really annoying me. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Me. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Curse you, non-English speaking animals. Tantar, was there any part of your plan that had, like, Scrat and Squirtle, like, throwing Woody Woodpecker off a cliff? No. Well, at least the good news is we won't be hearing from him for a while. Sonic Underground. Hey, Sonic. Well, what? Who the heck said that? Hey, Sonic, since we're underground, will you be mine? Mine? I don't get it. Well, get it? Because coal mines are underground, and we're underground, and I want you to be mine? Huh? Your jokes stink, Woody Woodpecker. Yeah, I agree.